Orbot here. Thank you for the experience of drawing us. But there are more of Dr. Robotnik's great creations yet to be drawn. Alexa, play it again.
I'll repeat the song.
Thank you, Orbot, for that presentation earlier. Happy Robot Appreciation Day. Tonight we're drawing Orbot and Cubot from Sonic X. I meant Sonic Boom. They also made their appearance in Sonic Colors. Anyways, Orbot and Cubot are the newest and the true henchmen of Dr. Robotnik. And one Orbot, he's intelligent. Cubot, not so intelligent. Anyways, these two, they're like brothers. And, well, do me next! That's what I'm doing, Cubot. Don't rub it in. Anyway, Orbot and Cubot, they had their own set of adventures and episodes too. Like Let's Play Musical Friends, They have this funny game, Rock Donut Thursday. It's like rock, paper, scissors. Only a bit more. Not what I expected. When Orbot took this exam, he was reprogrammed to be a main villain. As for Cubots, well, from what I've seen in him, Dr. Robotnik, he made prototypes of him before Cubot was built. Anyways, after that was done, Cubot was, after the final test product, Cubot was the finished version. I'm telling you, Orbot and Cubot sure had a lot of adventures together. Anyways, there are a few things about Orbot and Cubot. Orbot is round and Cubot is square. Probably shouldn't have written in these lines. And done! There they are! Orbot and Cubot. Look at them. Looks like they're ready for a fight. Even though they're not really fighters. So, you guys enjoyed this episode? Who do you think was the... Are you guys Orbot and Cubot fans? Be sure to leave a comment below, because I've got more like this coming soon. Anyway, hope you all enjoyed this episode. Please like and rock and subscribe to my channel. And let me know what awesome character you want me to draw next. And which amazing one of the Robotnik robots you think is awesome. Stegosaurus, see you later.